Hello friends. Today I look naked, but I swear I have a shirt on. We are at Value Village. I just failed my exam, so I'm kind of a little sad, right? I've decided to do some retail therapy, but then on the other hand, I'm also poor, so the next best thing, thrifting and making videos for you guys. Interesting intro. I'm gonna get some good stuff. Hopefully, if I don't, then today is a waste of my life. But let's go in with some high hope. Let's go! That was kind of cute. Yee. Ooh. Ooh, this is nice. I don't know. Okay, I really don't need more sweatshirts, but it looks so comfy, okay? Ooh. This is cute. Good. Okay, I found this, but it's giving me fake vibes. I don't know why. Y'all, I dig this. It's like 80s. Okay. Ooh, whoa. That's a big one. Oh, they have in gray too. Wow. I'll pass. Melt my heart. I kind of dig this, but wrong season. This is so neon, bro. I also like this, but
Can I get paid to your register, please? Paid to your register, thank you.
Not right now. I found this, but that's too expensive. And I'm looking for like a Nike zip up like this, but not this color. I kind of hate this color, to be honest. But it's good quality, you know? Lulu? I bet this is like 20 bucks. What the frick? Ooh. See, this is nice, but... Ooh, and that's a good deal. But I don't like red. I look like a not cute in red. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, what the? I'm still gonna try it on for funsies. I'm pissed. Oh yeah, when you try to stand out. Dang, why do you have so many of these? Ooh. This is nice. throwback. This is kind of cool. Authentic, y'all. And then just this polo jeans, and it's kind of like a bomber jacket, but like not that material. Okay, I really like everything about this except the color, and like the price is good. Maybe I'll try it on just in case, you know. And do I like it? I like the idea, but I'm a no. Ooh, no. Is this? Hey, I do that. No. I don't know. If they're, ooh. I don't need that. I really don't need that. Ooh. That's expensive. Okay, so I don't know if these are ugly, but I kind of like these a lot, so we'll come back though. I usually never look at shoes, but today I was in a bit of a mood. Would you look at that? I used to have this throwback. Dude, I thought he was holding sriracha. I thought I was just dumb, but it's backwards. Dang, I had high hopes for this, but it's a crap. Dang, I thought this was Randy. Girls just want to have fun. That's kind of cute, but nah. Nope, that's me every day. Don't be so basic. I go to the guys' t-shirts, because girls' t-shirts kind of suck. I couldn't stretch this collar out that much. Like, whose head is that big? This had potential, but no. I love this Value Village, but they really overpriced like everything in their women's. I just like this one for like their, what's it called? Like their athletic clothes is good. I'm kind of looking for like tight long sleeve tops. Be lovely if I could find that. Okay, thank you. Why am I like this? This is so nice. I have so many crutches. I used to want crutches so bad. So we're now trying stuff on.
When you're wrapping,
Wish me luck. It's gonna take a while. I know I don't need this, but it's just like a cuter version of a hoodie. Like, I'm down for that. Okay, so first off, there was like a billion people in there. I don't know why the heck there were so many people thrifting at like 10 a.m. on a Friday. Maybe it's because it's like grandmas and stuff. We don't have anything to do. I don't know. But there was a lot of people, so I was filming and it was kind of awkward, but that's besides the point. Who cares? I found some alright stuff, you know. I didn't show you guys exactly like what I bought because I'm going to put that in a separate video, you know. I'm going to go to another thrift store. And I don't know how much I'm gonna vlog there because I literally was thrifting for like an hour and all I used my phone for was directions to get here and then to film while I was here. My phone's already at 40%. So it might die by the time I get to the next thrift store, but if it doesn't, I'll catch you there. Made it. And I have 30%, so I'm gonna try my best to vlog here. Let's get going. I also need to take a thumbnail, but I'm kind of scared. Okay, I found this and got excited because I thought it said $2, but it's $12. I really like this, but I feel like I would look like a marshmallow in it. Ooh. So this looks like a normal, but then bam, this is like, it's really good material and it's soft. And it's the brand Joy Lab, which is sold at Aritzia, if you didn't know, so it's kind of expensive. But it's $8. I don't know if I love it. It's a size medium, and I feel like it's like a little awkwardly long here. I don't know. Okay, I just thought this was cool, so I was like, why not try it on, you know? But it looks huge, even though it's a size small. That's a bummer. If this actually, I don't know. I like it, but if it was smaller, because it's like ginormous on me, if you can't tell. But it's $13. Hey guys. Okay, so I just finished up. I bought some stuff. If you guys want to see what I got, watch out because it'll be coming in some new videos. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's and buy some dried mangoes because I'm hungry. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Put your head on